How to find translation language settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find translation language settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then just click these three lines here and now click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find language, click on it and then just click translation language, and here you will find translation language settings. You can change your translation language easily. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.